Second problem, find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Same distance point. The given points O 0, 0, P, this is the P 36, 15. The distance between the points O and P is OP. A and B is AB, O and P is OP. Formula: one is the origin, one is the point square root of x square plus y square. This is the formula. X is the here x is the 36, y is the y. 36 whole square plus 15 whole square. 1296 plus 36 whole square, 1296. 36 into 36. 15 square, 15 into 15, 225. That equal to 15, 21. Adding This is the 3 3's square root of 15, 21. 3 3's 9. Remaining 6. Take 2 1 6, 21. 3 plus 3 6. Here take same values 69 9's 621. 69 9's 621. Here remainder 0. Here square root is the 39. Square root of 15, 21 is 39. Already we know that in 9th class this is this method. Example number 1. What is the distance between A 4, 0 and B 8, 0? Here y's are zeros Here y's are zeros. Only given x1, x2. Here x1, y1, x2, y2 actually. y1, y2 are zeros. Remaining x1, x2. Distance difference x2 minus x1. Mod take compulsory. The distance between the points A and B is AB. That equal to formula. This is the mod x2 minus x1. 8 minus 4 equal to 4 units. Take any one. Suppose mod x1 minus x2 also Suppose mod x1 minus x2. Mod x1 minus x2. Mod x1 minus x2. That equal to mod 4 minus 8. That equal to mod minus 4. That equal mod minus 4 also 4a. Distance compulsory take positive values Here y1, y2 are zeros. Y1, y2 are zeros. Take distance 4 units. 8 minus 4, 4 units. Suppose 4 minus 8. Compulsory take mod 4 minus 8 minus 4. That equal to 4 Next important note important What is collinear points? Important collinear points. Collinear points. Suppose 3 points take A, B, C. 3 points lie on the same line. Lie on a same line. A, B, C lie on a same line. It is called collinear points. It is called collinear points. Definition: 3 points lie undadam on a same line. It is called collinear points. 3 points lie on same line. Same line A, B, C. It is called collinear points. This condition AB plus BC total AC. AB plus BC equal to AC. 3 points lie on a same line. It is called collinear points. 3 points A, B, C lie on a same line. Same line AB plus BC equal to total AC. It is called collinear points. Next, third problem. Verify that points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -1, -1 are collinear or not. Collinear or not. First take given points, 3 points A, B, C consider, or P, Q, R, anyone take. A, B, C take. First the distance between A 1, 5 and B 2, 3 is AB. Distance first AB, next BC, next AC. First take AB ma. AB distance A, here x1, y1, B x2, y2. Take, consider ma compulsory. Square root of formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 2 minus x1 1 whole square plus y2 3 minus 5 whole square. 2 minus 1 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 already know that ma, minus 2 3 minus 5 minus 2 whole square. 1 square 1 minus 2 whole square, minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4, 1 plus 4 5. AB distance of AB distance root 5. Same the distance between B and C. B 2, 3. Here take x1 y1. C x2 y2 is BC. Formula right ma, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root. x2 minus 2 minus x1 2 whole square plus y2 minus 1 minus y1 3 whole square. Here ma, minus 2 minus 4, adding in negative, minus 2 not multiplication, minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3, negative in adding, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 whole square, minus 4 whole square, minus 4 into minus 4, minus in minus plus 16. Here minus 4 whole square, minus 4 into minus 4, minus into minus plus 4 into 4 16, 16 plus 16 32, root of 32 written as 16 into 2, root 16 value 4 root 2. BC complete. Next find AC. The distance of A 1, 5, C minus 2, minus 1 is, here take x1 y1, here take x2 y2. AC formula right ma, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 y1, here take minus ma, y1 5 whole square, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5 minus 6 whole square, minus 3 whole square, minus 3 into minus 3, minus into minus plus 3 3s 9. Here power is even, compulsory take positive. Minus 6 whole square, minus 6 into minus 6, minus into minus plus 6 square 36, 9 plus 36 45. Root 45 written as root 9 into 5. Root 9 value 3 root 5. Here take ma, AB is the root 5, BC is the 4 root 2, AC is the 3 root 5. Suppose here take ma, AB root 5, BC 4 root 2, AC 3 root 5. Suppose BC is the 4 root 5 having 1 root 5 3 root 5, 3 plus 1 4 root 5 4 root 5. Here condition not satisfied. AB plus BC. Any two conditions adding, third one equal. Here not equal. AB plus BC equal. AB plus BC. Here it is the 4 root 2. It is the root 5. It is the 3 root 5. Condition not satisfied. AB plus BC not equal to AC. Sum of any two is equal to another one, another distance. Here not equal to another distance. Sum of any two distances is equal to another one. Here not equal. So given points are not collinear.